We not have the time.
So Ricardo not available for deal with it?
No, you get a job, so you know that.
And Patsy?
I just help Patty did her help out when she can, but I hear business take off your mind. She's super busy.
You want to Karim talk about closing it?
We're supposed to, but not even that will get the time.
I have to make some time for talk going on.
No, but it looks like it's going to be here after quick time back over to me.
So when the
When she finish her EP,
quick thing you're frustrated, not true?
honestly, not really, because since the therapist started come, she spent extra time with him. It's just that we need some time with Karim to discuss what we are going to do with the place.
Alright. You have a lot on your hands going on. You have agency work and the community program. We know you like the idea of the shop, but if we don't have no time, we don't just have to let it go.
Okay, can that me for that?
Take some time and think about it. Sometimes you have to let things go. The new things come.
You see, because Shoppy did love that shop here so much, it's like me no want it now.
Yeah, but him be passionate about it. You just do it because you respect him. We have a different calling. I just say prescription stop now.
You're done.
Yeah, you know, you want to do it.
Someone have been
So, foot come down. Turn and help hug you. That's it.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to play for your foot there.
Let me try that again.
Say that I need my help, look like I have a
Shall
shop.
I come in and do this?
Yeah, I did that without being a chair.
Oh, you might catch me?
Bam.
I just tell the Colin come to help him.
I'm going to ask you for bringing this.
Just bring in the chair.
Because if it was here, I'm going to come out.
Remember, say man foot now hurt them hands strong, man.
Alright. So, when you walk in, they say, Tony, I'm sorry for bothering you at the chair.
Chair,
I
man.
asked you for going for me. And I said, stop talking about
But
bother no brother. And when you walk out for the chair, you and him go start a little talking to. Alright, so let's move this.
so good body. You can go back outside
Huh?
you can tell good body say, my look up.
This scene is knowing a little bit more about Terry and our background where she became a therapist is how this situation is almost similar to the one with your father. So the reason why you're so invested in this is because you've seen maybe not just the one with your father, but a couple like this before. So this is why you're so invested in this. Plus you get to understand more about Quickfoot personal and what his backstories and things that you go through. And for the first time you kind of feel the need to open up to you because like a part of the script said, Prinny know about him past. But that is different from him actually sitting down and holding a conversation with her about him past, which is different. So you realize that there's a difference. She knowing about your past is different from you actually sitting down and saying to her, boy, you know somebody go through this and go through that. But the fact that he has always been more of a reclusive person, somebody who kind of hold things in and go through it, not many people knew. So instead burdened with losing a mother and not being able to go to her funeral. So even getting rid of the youth, them still not satisfy him as a person. Because them gone, but him mother still not there and them still not get a chance to see that final resting place. So we get a little more insight on that. So we need it to play in such a way where we really become physical therapists. Yeah, getting at the psyche as well, because that for you is the major block that is hampering the movement. So when you get to that stage, you know, where you actually pick him up and make him stand up and step back from him, the moment the phone will break it. And then the reality that you cannot work in this kind of environment hit you. So with a heavy heart, if, as a rule to you, if a thing, if a space is unhealthy, you do your work as much as you check for him and want to see progress. If the space not now, if it's unhealthy, then you have to walk from it. Because immediately you hear the big uproar between inner and inside here. And then you prove it very toxic because it can't go back to that place to try and get up and move.
Which uproar?
Huh?
What kind of uproar? She a come?
No, you know see the long or sitting with the on the phone there.
No, pretty.
Oh.
Hey, there's a long conversation with you on the phone. So we are doing the same thing we have over the last time. We are cut from you on the phone inside the soldier to terror reacting out here.
No.
Alright, we're going to start the intro. So the scene opens with Pick and Terry in the living room. She's working out his feet while they're having a heart-to-heart conversation.